My name is Tana. Tana is the name of a river in Kenya. I was born in Nairobi and then finally moved to Barcelona, which is where I always wanted to live. My dream is to have my own greenhouse. On one side I have rosemary, lavender, and curry. I then have a plant which I'm not sure what its official name is, but it looks like a peacock, like a very fancy peacock. And I want to have it just outside the kitchen, so when I look out the window, I can see my orchard and my tomatoes and my pumpkins. To me, art and nature go hand in hand.